Okay, now that we're in our thinking rock, let's think. You will help, right? You will? Great! So, what was our first clue? Shapes. Right. And our second clue was grass. And our third clue, the sky. So, what could Bruno play outside with shapes, grass, and the sky? Well, if we're outside, maybe we can sit in the grass and, look up in the sky. Then what can we see? Clouds. Yeah, maybe different shaped clouds. Yeah. So, if we're outside, see, in the grass, looking up in the clouds in the sky, what could we do? Find shapes in the clouds. Brilliant. Blue. Ooh. Is that what you have to play outside today, the cloud game? We just figured out Blue's clothes.